Hello, my name is Omar, and welcome back to the SMR and stretching series for the combative athlete. Now today, the muscle that we're going to focus on is the latissimus dorsi. That is the pulling muscle. So when we do pull-ups, that muscle is being engaged or being used. Now when we're in our combative sport, depending on our sport, we use the lats differently. For striking, when we pull back our punches, that's the lat muscle. When we are in grappling, when we're holding on either to the neck or collar sleeve, when we're pulling, those are the lat muscles. Now the lat muscles with overuse do get tight and shortened, and especially if our shoulders are rounded, the lat muscle becomes also shortened, which then does not allow us to open the shoulder to bring the arms up above our head. So when we're doing overhead exercises, if we can't have, or if we don't have the flexibility to lift above our head, now we're altering our position. So what we're going to do is we're either going to use the peanut that we use for the thoracic spine video, or we will use the foam roll. Now we're just going to use the foam roll for this position or for this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lie on my side and I'm placing the foam roller right in the armpit. I want to make sure that this hand is directly above my head with a thumbs up. Now if I'm over here, then it kind of defeats the purpose. So bring it up in alignment. The bottom leg is straight, top leg is bent, so we lift the hips up. Once we lift, that applies more pressure onto the muscle. If we need to alleviate the tension or the pressure, lower your hips. Now, if we can't roll because it's very painful, then find an area, apply pressure on it, whether up or the hips down. You can also roll or tilt back and forth. You will feel that definitely. Now you can roll up and down and you can tilt at the same time. So this muscle is extremely painful. And again, we want to start at the armpit and we want to go just lower than your chest position. So my chest, mid-chest is here. I can go a little bit lower. Boom, right about here. Now, as I roll or tilt, make sure that you breathe. Make sure you go slow and don't rush the process. Now, make sure that we do both sides. Good luck.